Today, I want to share with you a lesson I learned from one of the greatest management gurus of all time, Peter Drucker, in his book, The Effective Executive. And this lesson allowed me to finish my workday by 2 p.m. every day. This was one of the most crucial lessons for me to learn in order to become extremely productive. And I'm going to share some quotes by Drucker and explain them in detail and then show you how you too can apply those principles in your life and start finishing your work soon enough so that you can go and enjoy life. And not only that, so that you can do large volumes of high quality work. Okay, so let me start. Let me start off by telling you one of the most powerful quotes I learned from Drucker. He said, even 1/4 of the working day, if consolidated in large time units, is usually enough to get the important things done. But even 3/4 of the working day are useless if they are only available as 15 minutes here and half an hour there. So let me break it down for you. He says, even 1/4 of the day, if consolidated in large units of time, is enough to get the most important things done. On the other hand, even 3/4 of the day is useless if available in 15 minutes here and 30 minutes there. And then he says, small driblets of time are not time at all. You see, this is what most people do. They work on 15 minutes, they work 15 minutes here, 30 minutes there. And you might be thinking, no, I worked 2 hours. Not likely, my friend. What you did during those 2 hours were you were working on something for 15 minutes only to check your email, check your IM, check your Slack, check your work-related quote-unquote stats that are important to you, check your sales numbers, and then you go back to doing the thing that was important, and then you go to your email, and then IM, and your whole day is like that. I want you to analyze your yesterday. Just let's analyze your yesterday. Let's look at it. How many hours did you work in large consolidated time units? Now, let me explain what large consolidated time unit is before you figure out how much time you worked on that. A large consolidated time unit of work is not 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but at least 2 to 3 hours long uninterrupted work session. During that consolidated time unit of work, you have no distractions of any kind. No emails, no phone calls, no work-related stats, no Slack, no Facebook, no Twitter, no IM, no phone messages, nothing. So, as Drucker said, remember, even 3/4 of a day is useless if available in 15 minutes here and 30 minutes there. Small driblets of time are not time at all. Small driblets of time are not time at all. As in, you can sit for hours in front of your computer, giving your important work driblets of time here and there, 15 minutes here, and then IM, 20 minutes here, then a phone call, and 25 minutes there, and then an interruption by a colleague. And that is what is killing. It's literally killing your productivity. Just be honest with yourself. It's really, look at your calendar from yesterday. Ask yourself, how many hours did you spend in large consolidated time units of work? At least 2 hours at a time. That time is probably 0. If you are like most people today, you are not working in large consolidated time units. You are letting the interruptions of the day guide your decisions. You are focusing for a short period of time only to find yourself distracted by phone, email, IM, Slack. You think it's super important to attend to those. But remember, it is impossible to do great work if you are unable to consolidate your time, if you can't work without interruptions. Now you're probably thinking, hey, you're probably working long hours, but what's happening in those long hours is you're living in the gray zone. You're doing some work, you're checking some email, you're checking some IM, you're doing some phone, you're doing some work and IM and Slack and all those things. And you're not really enjoying your life. You're not having fun. You're spending very little time with your family when you're 100% present with them, because even though during those hours, you're probably checking your phone or email. And you think those long hours in front of your computer or your phone, that's a badge of honor. You think the longer the hours in front of your computer or your phone, the more you are producing, the more value you are creating in the world, and the more money you will be making as a result. But that's not the case. As Drucker said, and I'm going to quote another quote by Drucker here. He said, the most important thing about priorities and posteriorities is not intelligent analysis, but courage. And then he goes on to say another quote. He says, concentration, that is the courage to impose on time and events his own decision as to what really matters and comes first, is the executive's only hope of becoming the master of time and events instead of their whipping boy. You see, if you can't be courageous enough to impose on time and events your decision as to what really matters and comes first, you will become the whipping boy of other people's agenda. Just last week, I was talking to one of my dear friends. He runs a multi-million-dollar real estate software company, and he was telling me about how he's unable to do any meaningful work throughout the day because he has so many meetings and so many IMs and so many phone calls and so many calendar invitations and so on and so forth. And he's unable to do any high quality work. So the only time he gets is after 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. in the evening when everyone's gone to bed. Think about that. Think about what's happening as a result of working like that. He's spending his whole day without being able to impose any courage on time and events. And as Drucker says, he says, concentration, that is the courage to impose on time and events his own decision as to what really matters and comes first, is the executive's only hope of becoming the master of time and events instead of their whipping boy. You see, you can always justify any distractions you indulged in, the phone call from a customer, Slack from a colleague, or some fire that's going on. You can always justify it, but you will become the whipping boy of the circumstances instead of someone who courageously imposes his or her decision on the time as to what you do with your time. You see, in order to achieve your greatest goals, you must have the courage to say no to distractions, and you must have the courage to work in large consolidated units of time. You must have the courage to work in large consolidated units of time. As Drucker said, the effective executive therefore knows that he has to consolidate his discretionary time. He knows that he needs large chunks of time and that small driblets are not time at all. That 10 minutes you spend working, those 12 minutes you spend working there, that 17 minutes you spend working there, they are not time units at all. That's not time at all. Drucker says the final step in time management is therefore to consolidate time. So the question now is, how can you start work and how can you work in consolidated units of time? Well, that is exactly why I designed focus blocks, exactly for this purpose. People from around the world come together to do their most focused work during focus blocks in guided 1-hour deep focus work sessions. You can stack as many focus blocks as you want. You can create consolidated units of time, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, as many as you want. All I have done in focus blocks is I've taken the best knowledge from all of these productivity books and squeezed it into a live hourly ritual called focus blocks. Now, as a result, my workday right now, as a result of focus blocks, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., 3 stacked focus blocks. Every 1-hour focus block is extremely focused, deep focus work session guided by a live trained focus guide. And I stacked 3 of these because, as Drucker said, even 1/4 of a day, if consolidated in large chunks of time, is enough to do important work. So I get 1 day's worth of my important work done in just those 3 hours, in just a 3 stack of focus blocks. Then I go to the gym and then I again do another stack of focus blocks, 3 stacks of focus blocks. As Drucker said, small driblets of time are not time at all. Even 3/4 of a day is useless if available in 15 to 30 minutes here and there. So the final step in time management is therefore to consolidate your time. So I am able to literally do 2 consolidated blocks of time, 3 hours at a time. And that is equivalent to actually 2 days of work, not just 1 day of work as most people would do. So if you want to get there, if you want to start finishing your day early, if you want to live a richer, more fun life, more colorful life, and not just a gray zone, monochromatic life of never-ending phone and IM and Slack and messages and all that stuff, and if you want to achieve bigger goals, you need large consolidated units of work time. And to do that consistently, you need focus blocks. So let me tell you all about focusblocks.io, and you can check it out by going to focusblocks.io. How many of us know exactly what we should be doing to achieve our goals, but for some reason just don't end up doing those things? We have great ideas, but we get stuck in procrastination, overwhelm, and analysis paralysis, which leads to a lot of wasted time every single day. We feel scattered, disorganized, and all over the place. We lack structure and accountability and have trouble following through on what we say we are going to do. And this pattern repeats itself every day, day in and day out. It doesn't have to be like this. Introducing focus blocks, the ultimate productivity tool for creators, entrepreneurs, and knowledge workers of every kind who use their brains to create value in this world. Using the proven science of live, real-time, human-to-human accountability, we can turbo boost your productivity within an hour. Here is how it works. First, identify the times when you intend to do your most important work, and then book 1 hour long live focus blocks from our calendar inside the members area. Second, simply show up for your live focus block. Every focus block is guided by a live trained focus guide and conducted over live Zoom video call with participants from around the world. We recommend you keep your camera on because it builds in an additional level of accountability, but if you want to keep the camera off, that's okay too. For the first few minutes, the focus guide will direct everyone to remove all distractions and ask everyone to make commitments on what they will be working on during the focus block. All done via chat or in small breakout rooms on Zoom. Now, your focus guide will officially start the focus block work session. Minimize your Zoom window and open your work window. With clear intention and commitment, you get to work on your most important task. Everyone on the call is on mute, so you don't hear a pin drop. Allow yourself to lose your sense of time and just immerse yourself in your work. The focus block work session usually lasts for 47 to 53 minutes, but you don't have to worry about keeping time because your guide keeps the time. And when the time is up, your focus guide will use soft sounds to let you know that the focus block work session is done. You report on your progress on Zoom via chat or in small breakout rooms. You celebrate your victories, and then your focus guide will guide you through some scientifically proven relaxation exercises and stretches before the focus block is done. Now, having accomplished your most important work for the day, you can now start another focus block right after, or you can go on with your day. Your choice. The more focus blocks you do every day, the more goals you accomplish. So we recommend you do as many focus blocks as possible, and that's why we give you unlimited access to focus blocks. Your focus blocks become your cornerstone ritual, keeping you on track and shortening the gap between where you are and where you want to be. As a result of just showing up for focus blocks, you finally start doing the things you always knew you should be doing. With this newfound structure and clarity, you will accomplish more goals in less time and consistently stack wins by focusing on your highest impact activities. Don't go it alone anymore. Use focus blocks to get real-time human accountability and consistently turn your goals and dreams into concrete accomplishments you are proud of. Join focus blocks today.